Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me.
Thunderstorm warning for East Central Chisago County, southeastern Polk County, and northwestern Wisconsin until 7:30 a.m. At 6:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Taylor's Falls, or 29 miles east of Cambridge, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Centuria and Dresser around 7 a.m. Balsam Lake around 7:10 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Amory and Turtle Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following county: